Hello, it's Marco here from Marco 3D, and here I'm testing the Perception Neuron motion capture suit within iClone 7. Now, the quality is not too bad straight off the bat. There are a few mistakes. I was just shaking a snow globe there. One of the big problems is the arm length on this character is different to my arm length. So the character's arm lengths are a little bit longer. So you'll find that when my hands are close together, I think I go over and pick up the phone in a sec. You can see that like the hands are actually intersecting each other. So this is where body proportions are going to be pretty important. So you can see I'm holding the phone here and I'm actually kind of trying to type on the phone. But yeah, so it's important to have the correct arm length. And you can see that just the hands are just going through. So I don't know what happened there. I think maybe lost connection with the sensor maybe for a little bit. That's me farting. And then I think I do another one. There we go. But yeah, so I'm going to be using this quite a bit in the near future. So please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and keeps you updated with my content. Please hit the notification button. Please follow me. Just help me out. And I'll see you next time.